I think you guys have seen that from the last clip. I think the last clip I recorded was me driving down and it was raining. But it's been a couple days since then. Sunshine. I just want to start off by asking you guys to go down into the description box. I have several links down there. Some of them are affiliate links, like getting some glasses from FIRMOO, getting 10% off discount for hair spells for buying some hair, and also checking out some music from a Jamaican artist, Water Bling. Make sure you guys go down and click the links down in the description. Some stuff. And more so right now. So today is one of my uncle's birthday, so I'm gonna go tell him happy birthday. But I just ate some food and I swear this belly is a very huge belly. But anyways, it's Sunday, and with the current thing going on, I want everybody to be careful. Afternoon. So yes, make sure you guys are following proper hygiene routines. Wash your hands. Lord God, the boy just dropped. Wash your hands. Stay away from people who are sick. Let me cross the street before the car lick me down, yeah? Lord God. Anyways, enough of seeing the road. Make sure you guys stay away from people who are sick, because you never know what they might have come in contact with. And if you are sick, what's that word? If you are sick, just make sure you contact your doctor. Don't spread it to other people. Don't go to work. Hold on, I don't want to get copywritten. Yeah. It is later. It's much later than the last. It was not much later. In country, it just get dark quick. I really need to pee, so I'm gonna go down and go pee. I was just up at my cousin's house because they're on top of more of like a hill. Ooh, beautiful. It's so pretty. I want to go back and catch more, but more on pee-pee. Maybe I could catch more. Wow, such a beautiful view. I have to share it with you guys. Wow. Oh, you're not even seeing as much as I'm seeing right now. It's so beautiful. But anyways, since they're more of on a hill, the service just picked up much better. So came up here to check my email and to watch a couple videos. Like I said, I have to go pee, so I'm gonna go pee. Also gonna turn on the flash because one, I don't like bullfrogs and I feel like they're out and I feel like they're watching me. I will tell you the story time of what happened to me in this very neighborhood with bullfrogs another day. But for now, I'll see you guys later. Me and City, my cousin, might go somewhere, but one pee-pee. So bye. Shush! Good afternoon, guys. It's the next day from last night. I was gonna go out. My cousin didn't come and I wasn't in the mood to leaving. I'm in Christiana right now and I was really hoping to go to the library. It's right there. To upload some videos, but they're closed. I don't know why they're closed. I wonder if it's because of when I came here on Saturday, they weren't closed. They closed at 1, but for some reason they're closed now, which is unfortunate. So I don't know when I'm gonna get to upload my videos, but I have to go do the NHT thing for mommy. What I can do, I guess, is keep recording videos and editing them and exporting them onto my hard drive and wait for the perfect time to bombard you all with videos. As for now, just stay safe during the coronavirus. Just be careful out there. Yeah, and all these good things. I'm gonna go now because I have to maneuver the traffic and I have to watch pedestrians. Yeah, so have a great day, guys. Like I said, please be safe. I hope this all blows over within the next couple months. Yeah, bye. All right, I'm back in the car. I don't think you guys saw me leave the car, but I went to go pay what I had to pay for, and all of a sudden the systems are down. Mind you, they sprayed my hands as I entered. I'm like, what is this? It's like, I believe it's alcohol. When I smelled it, it literally smelled like what did it smell like? It smelled like not Febreze, but it didn't smell like hand sanitizer. It smelled like things you use to wipe off, like machine. Like if you ever go to the gym, or you know what the solution is to clean off tables and things like that, that's what it smelled like. So that was a nasty experience. But they did have wipes on the inside, so I took some wipes and I wiped off my hand. Anyways, I'm on my way to Mandeville now because I want to pay for the thing today, so I'm gonna go to their offices in Mandeville because there is no NHT office in Christiana. I was at the bank, but that didn't work out, so the man here come on strong, he passed me. Yeah, he might move strong. I'm in so much rush. Anyways, yeah, so I'll see you guys when I'm in Mandeville. Hopefully the library there is open, or there's a internet cafe or something that I can go to. We'll see. Hi everybody, so I'm out of I did the NHT. I even got a form that I can give to mommy so she can pay online. Girl, I gotta pee. Shit. I've got to pee so bad. So I'm gonna go to like a KFC or something. Oh! Sorry. I'll be back because I really gotta pee. Alright guys, so I'm in KFC right now and I'm gonna get a barbecue zinger combo. I haven't had that in a long time. I've been getting a lot of meal deals. Actually, I've been getting a lot of big deals, but I want the barbecue zinger. Oh, I should get the zinger box. Maybe I'll get the zinger box because more wants a piece of chicken, but more want the fudge. Sorry, I still need to pee. I'm just waiting until I buy something before I go and pee. And I've been in this line and I really need to pee. So I'm just waiting, but I'll be right back. All right, everybody, so I'm in like a supermarket. No, I'm in like a pharmacy type store. This Real Techniques is $2,350. Ew, there's something on that one. I'm just gonna put it back. Because first of all, I would never. If it was like 1,500, then yeah. But 2,000? Hell no. Hell no. But they do have little cute jewelry stuff. I just would never in my life pay $799 for this ugly ass lip balm when other lip balms that are much better are cheaper. You're paying for the packaging. Anyways, I'll be back. I'm just bored. I'm not gonna buy anything because I don't got money to waste. I'm confused because was deodorant always this expensive? It's like $780, and then this one is 1,215. Was deodorant always this expensive? I'm confused. This deodorant that I have is 1,200. This is crazy. Let's see. I already know the survey is expensive because this is $2,155 and this one is 1,570. I use Lubriderm, but the bigger one. But they're much cheaper in America. This is extortion. I'm whispering because I don't want nobody to come over and tell me to stop record. Guys, and look at this. This is basically $400. What? Listen, I'm packing a barrel, okay? I ain't buying nothing down here. Yeah. I'll participate in the... Excuse me. Excuse me. Maybe it's a foreign word because nobody moved. Yeah, I'll partake in the economy by paying for customs. I'm not buying none of this. I can't. So I'm still in the same store. I'm wondering if we should do a giveaway. They have a little what is it called? They have a like a gift shop section. This had fake dreads. I would like it if it didn't have fake dreads in it. Get off my hand. Yeah, it would be really nice if they didn't have. Why do you have dreads? Anyways, because it's so disrespectful. Oh, this would be so cute. Let me see how much it costs. The tops aren't bad. The price isn't bad. But I do like the swimsuit. And girl, this is $3,306. But another giveaway would be really cute. But I think if I'm gonna do a giveaway, I'm not gonna buy anything from inside a store. I think I'd rather buy it from a craft person, or a vendor, because I feel like their money is going. Obviously, people have to make these, but it'd be nice because I know exactly where my money is going. So come back. I'm back again. I know I keep going away and coming back. I'm in the same store. But this, do you guys remember these big pencils? These chunky pencils? They're right there. For some reason, it's just so much bigger when I was younger. Wow. Memories. Serious memories. And even these ones. I remember the ones that had the ones with the beads or the balls on them when you could do that. That's what this one reminds me of. Wow. Alright, I'm gone from this store. This store too expensive for me. If you are from Mandeville, leave a comment down below. I'm trying to find Uptown. I don't know where Uptown is, so I'm just gonna keep. Oh, actually, oh shit, it's supposed to be over there. Excuse me, can I cut? I'm supposed to be going. Oops. To go the wrong way, so I begged a lie or whatever. I'm just trying to find somewhere I can upload my video. But like I'm saying, if you're from Mandeville, thank you. Nice little guy. Give me a fly. If you're from Mandeville, leave a comment down below. Hey. I really don't know where the hell I'm going. So I'm gonna get off this because I really gotta pay attention. See you guys when I get to wherever I can get to get some free Wi-Fi.
To the top right now. And I can feel a couple grand in my pocket right now. Yeah, I'm so.
I'm gonna just turn in here because I ain't gonna lie to you. I don't know where the fuck I'm going. Oh my goodness, like where have I turned? Mute it. Excuse me, do you guys know where I might be able to get internet?
Internet out here?
Yeah.
Cafe Alpha?
Yeah.
Go back around that side and then near from Bashka. Ask any question from there.
Alright, thank you.
Yeah.
Alright. Whew, girl, I am lost. Alright, so I think I have to turn this way. Yo. Wow. I forget that I have to be vlogging. So I'm here in this place. Oh look, they have an empty one. Wow, it's huge. That's nice. Yeah. But anyways, this is called Grove Court, I think. They have an internet cafe over here somewhere. I'm gonna see. So we're gonna see this. It's a cute little supermarket. What's this supermarket? I wonder if this is supposed to be the internet cafe. I'll be back. I will be back. But for a while ago, I was lost. I was lost.
Birds flying high. Sun in the sky, sun in the sky. You know how I feel. Birds flying high.
Alright guys, so this lighting. This would be the perfect lighting to let me pick up my boobs. Perfect lighting to do a Q&A. I think I'm gonna do a Q&A tomorrow, answer a bunch of you guys' questions. I'm done. I've uploaded a video. It's processing, so hopefully by the time I reach WhatsApp I can set it to public, and I hope you guys forgive me. the video is not that interesting, but the meetup was amazing. Yeah, the meetup was amazing. That's all I can say. But anyways, I've gotta go now. See y'all later. I'm looking cute. This is Sashana's shirt that I borrowed. Alright, bye guys. Excuse me, where? Okay, which direction do I go to go towards Fallings?
Fallings?
Yeah.
That's where I'm going. You want to wait?
I don't want to wait. I just want to know which direction, because I'm just the circle confused me. Alright. The circle just confused me.
Wait, one here. Wait. One more.
Wow, somebody, I'm lost. Hold on.